Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tourey. Today we are going to talk about must-have tools for technology users. Tools that will aid in cybersecurity, project management, networking, and more. Tool number 1, Network Monitoring Tool. Network monitoring tools are tools that constantly track, analyze, and report the availability, health, and performance of networks, which include network hardware, interfaces, storage devices, virtual environment, and other essential components. Starting off our list is a must-have for any IT professional, a tool that works like an X-ray for your network, the SolarWinds Network Performance Monitor. This bad boy gives you real-time visibility into what's happening across your entire network infrastructure, from bandwidth hogs to delay issues. It's like having a team of digital detectives constantly monitoring your network traffic, sniffing out problems before they even have a chance to cause downtime. And speaking of downtime, that's where SolarWinds NPM really shines. Its advanced alerting system is like having a pack of guard dogs and bark at the sights of trouble. You can set up custom alerts for all sorts of events, whether it's a server going offline, a critical application experiencing performance issues, or even just a suspicious spike in network activity. Trust me, with SolarWinds NPM on your side, you'll be able to sleep soundly at night, knowing that your network is in good hands. But what really sets SolarWinds NPM apart is friendliness. You don't need to be a network guru to understand its dashboards and reports. It presents complex data in a clear way, making it easy to identify bottlenecks, troubleshoot issues, and optimize your network performance. Whether you are a seasoned IT pro or just starting out, SolarWinds NPM is an essential tool that will empower you and keep your network running smoothly. Tool number 2, Endpoint Security. Next up, let's talk about security. Because in this digital age, protecting your data and system is more important than ever. And when it comes to endpoint security, CrowdStrike Falcon is the terminator of the cybersecurity world. This AI-driven platform is like having an army of microscopic robots, patrolling your devices, relentlessly hunting down threats, and neutralizing them before they can do any damage. However, CrowdStrike Falcon isn't limited to using force. It is also quite clever. Its machine learning algorithm continuously scans millions of endpoints across the globe for threat data, picking up new attack vectors and adjusting its defenses in real time. This implies that CrowdStrike proactive security detects even the most advanced threats, such as fileless malware and zero-day attacks. What's the best thing then? CrowdStrike Falcon won't cause your devices to lag, and it's extremely light. It runs in the background noiselessly, protecting the user continuously without interfering with the experience. CrowdStrike Falcon is the best tool available for combating cybercrime, regardless of the size of your company. Tool number 3, Project Management Software. Now, let's shift gears and talk about productivity. Because, let's face it, in the fast-paced world of IT, staying organized and on top of your project is crucial. And that's where Asana comes in. The project management software that's like having a personal assistant for your entire team. Asana lets you create projects, assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress, all in one central location. No more juggling spreadsheets, sticky notes, or endless email chains. But Asana is more than just a to-do list on steroids. It's a powerful collaboration tool that fosters teamwork and communication. You can use Asana to share files, leave comments, and have real conversation with your team members, all within the context of specific tasks or projects. This means less time wasted searching for information and more time actually getting things done. And with Asana intuitive interface and customizable workflow, you can tailor it to fit your team's unique needs. Whether you're working on a software development project, planning a market campaign, or simply trying to stay on top of your daily tasks, Asana is the ultimate productivity booster that will help you and your team achieve peak performance. Tool number 4, version control system. Alright developers, this one is for you. If you are not using a version control system, you're basically gambling with your codes. And when it comes to version control, GitHub is the king of the hill. It's like having a machine for your code, allowing you to track changes, revert to previous versions, and collaborate with others seamlessly. But GitHub is much more than just a storage for your code. It's a thriving community of developers from all over the world, sharing their projects, contributing to open source software, and helping each other build amazing things. It's like a giant digital playground for code lovers, where you can learn from the best, showcase your skills, and be part of something bigger than yourself. And with GitHub Actions, you can automate your software development workflow, from building and testing your code to deploying it to production. This means you can spend less time with tedious tasks and more time writing codes that matter. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just getting started, GitHub is an essential tool for any developer who is serious about their craft. Tool number 5, cloud service provider. Now, let's talk about the cloud because, let's face it, it's not just a catchy word anymore. It's the future of IT. And when it's come to cloud computing, Amazon Web Services or AWS is the elephant in the room. AWS offers an amazing lineup of services, from computing power and storage to databases and machine learning, all delivered on demand and pay-as-you-go pricing. It's like having access to a giant virtual data center that you can scale up or down at a moment's notice without having to worry about the underlying infrastructure. But AWS is much more than just a bunch of services in the sky. It's a platform for innovation, enabling businesses of all sizes to build and deploy applications faster, experiment with new technologies, and reach customers around the world. Whether you are a startup building the next killer app, a large enterprise migrating your infrastructure to the cloud, or anything in between, AWS has the tools and services you need to succeed, and when it comes to global presence, robust security, and unmatched reliability, you can trust AWS to handle your most critical workload. So, if you are not already using AWS, now is the time to jump on board and start exploring the limitless possibilities of the cloud. Tool number 6, IT Service Management Software, ITMS. Alright, let's be real. Managing IT services can be a real pain, but it doesn't have to be that way. ServiceNow is an ITMS platform that's like having a well-oiled machine for IT operations. It streamlines everything from incident management and change requests to problem resolution and knowledge management. With ServiceNow, you can say goodbye to manual processes, soiled systems, and frustrated users. Its intuitive self-service portal empowers users to find answers to their own questions, request services, and track the status of their requests, enabling IT team to focus on more strategic functions. But ServiceNow is much more than just a glorified system. Its powerful automation capability allows you to automate routine tasks, enforce workflows, and improve efficiency across your entire IT organization. Whether you are a small team or a large enterprise, ServiceNow can help you transform your IT operation and deliver expectational service experiences. Tool number 7, database management system. Now, let's talk about data. Because in today's data-driven world, it's more valuable than ever. And when it comes to managing your data, Microsoft SQL Server is a true heavyweight contender. This database management system is known for its performance, security, scalability, making it the go-to choice for businesses of all sizes. But SQL Server is much more than just a place to store your data. Its powerful analytic capabilities allows you to extract valuable insights from your data, identify trends, and make better business decisions. Whether you are running complex queries, generating reports, or building data-driven applications, SQL Server has the tools that you need to unlock the full potential of your data. And when it comes to integration with other Microsoft products, Power BI, you can easily extend your data platform to the clouds and create interactive dashboards and visualization. So if you're serious about data management and analytics, Microsoft SQL Server is a rock-solid foundation for your data-driven initiatives. Tool number 8, collaboration software. Alright, let's face it, email is all a century. If you're still relying on email for team communication, you're missing out on the power of modern collaboration tools. And when it's come to collaboration, Microsoft Teams is the undisputed champion. It's like a virtual office where your team can chat, meet, share files, and collaborate on projects, all in one central location. But Teams is much more than just a chat app on steroids. Its seamless integration with Office 365 gives you access to all your favorite productivity tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, all within Teams. This means you can co-author documents, work on spreadsheets together, and even give presentation, all without ever leaving the Teams interface. And with its robust video conferencing capability, you can host virtual meetings and even town halls, all with the crystal clear audio and video. So, whether your team is spread across the globe or just down the hall, Microsoft Teams can help you break down communication barriers and foster a collaborative and productive work environment. Tool number 9, backup and recovery solution. Okay, let's talk about backups. Because as much as we love technology, sometimes it fails us. And when it comes to protecting your data from disaster, Vim backup and replication is the superhero you need in the corner. This comprehensive backup and recovery solution is known for its reliability, speed, and ease of use, making it the go-to choice for businesses of all sizes. But Vim is much more than just a backup tool. Its powerful replication capabilities allows you to create exact copies of your data and system at a secondary location, ensuring businesses continuity in the event of a disaster. Whether it's a natural disaster, a hardware failure, or even a ransom attack, Vim can help you get back up and running quickly and with minimum data loss. And with its integration with leading cloud providers, you can easily extend your backup and recovery strategy to the cloud, adding an extra layer of protection for your critical data. So if you're serious about data protection and disaster recovery, Vim backup and replication is an essential investment for your business. Tool number 10, Network Security Tool. Last but not least, let's talk about network security. Because in today's threat landscape, a traditional firewall simply isn't enough. You need a next generation firewall that can keep up with the latest threat. And that's where Palo Alto Network comes in. Their next generation firewall are like having an army of digital bouncers guarding your network, criticizing every bit of traffic and keeping the bad guys out. But Palo Alto Networks is much more than just a firewall. Its advanced threat prevention capabilities use a combination of signature-based detection, machine learning, and sandboxing to identify and block even the most sophisticated threat, including zero-day exploits, malware, and phishing attacks. And with its user identification capabilities, you can enforce security policies based on user identity rather than just IP addresses. This means you can give your employees the access they need while still maintaining a strong security posture. So, if you're looking for the best possible protection for your network, Palo Alto Networks is the gold standard in the next generation firewall technology. And there are the top 10 tools for any technology user. Number 1, network monitoring tool. Number 2, endpoint security. Number 3, project management software. Number 4, version control system. Number 5, cloud service provider. Number 6, IT service management software. Number 7, database management system. Number 8, collaboration software. Number 9, backup and recovery solution. Number 10, network security tool. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.